Good morning, one and all. Today we're going to see a topic on coordinate measuring machines type of probes, which is very important in the CAD and the CAM modeling, where this coordinate measuring machine will help to measure the size of the object or the product in a very sharp and complex shapes. We have discussed about the CMM in a very the earlier classes. Now we're going to see how that probe will measure and what are all the types of probe will measure the sizes of the product. We have generally the two categories of the probe. One is the contact probe and another one is the non-contact probe, where the contact probe is nothing but it will touch the component or the product and it will measure the object. That is the contact probe type, where you can see many of the mechanical industry. These probe will be used from the olden days. It will be find very easy to measure the object. We have two types in that contact. One is the touch trigger probe and another one is the analog scanning probe. Another one is the non-contact probe, where this is an laser lights or video probes which will move upon that object to find out the to measure the the object. We have two types, that is laser probes and then video probes, measuring using the CMM, where this is a general schematic diagram of the CMM probe. This is called the point where we fix the probe, and where this is a key scanner locations, and then another one is the probe type. This is a probe module. These some of the points such as a front ring, color coded protection cover, standard force, and these are all the general schematic of the CM. Contact probes. We have two types, where we have seen that touch trigger probe and another one is the analog scanning probe. Where the touch trigger probe, the sensor makes contact with the part with the difference of the indicates that probe has been deflected. The computer records the contact point where that coordinate spacing which will be fixed to find out the measurement. And an LED light and an audible signal using indicate contact, which will move over that object here and there to find the point. The touch probe assembly consists of three components: probe head, probe, and stylus. We have seen this. This is the stylus, this is the probe head, and this is the probe model. Okay. Then next is the analog scanning probe. Analog scanning probe is used to the complex and irregular shapes is used to find out the or find measure the shapes. This will be help in improving in the speed and the accuracy. Then second one, another type is called the non-contact probe. Here we have two types: laser scanning probe and then video probe. Laser probe project is a light beam onto the surface, as we have like an electric discharge machines where we through the laser light we are cutting the object. The same here, the laser scanning probe will help into the picture to the light will fall on the surface of the part to find out. Laser tool have a high degree of speed accuracy compared to the contact probe. Then video probe is nothing but this features is computer electronic image, where in like an simulation or the CAD software will find out on the same in the camera, in the video, where is the capable of generating multimedia of measurements points within a single video frame. This is about non-contact probe. Next one is the probe head. This is probe head and the stylus and the probes of the point. This is the probe head, where we fix that probe into that uh, tool, and then this is a stylus where that probe is joined together, and these are some of the examples. And then multiple shapes of stylus. CMM software, where we use this software programming of the machine or the software of the system enables this CMM to reach its full potential for accuracy, precision, and speed. Contour programs allow the CMM to quickly define detailed complex non-geometric such as gears, cams, and injection modes. These programs also can